Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 72 hours have been very game changing because ever since Trump made the announcement that they're going to be putting tariffs on the European Union and then scale it back by giving them 7 days to try to come to some sort of agreement, there is a little bit of sentiment switch where the market is slowly starting to make a recovery, but there is still a little bit of uncertainty. But one thing that is for sure is the market is going to do very well because 2025 is going to be a bull year. I always see you guys in the comment section asking Sky, the market is doing very well, by investing in these large cap tokens, you're not going to make a good profit. You want something that's just beginning so you can be early and you can actually get into a good token, not just a meme coin, because meme coins can come and go, but you want something that has utility. Well, let me introduce you to Unstaked. Now, they are in a pre-sale stage currently, and you may have the question, why is this token so special? Well, first of all, they have already raised $7 million and 900 million tokens have been sold. So they haven't even reached the price of 1 cent yet. Just to give you an idea, 7 million, even if they just make it to the market cap of 700 million, which is not too far, that's 100x, and they have been partnered up with some of the known names around the entire world. One thing that's for sure, as you guys know, currently the crypto market is going through a phase where AI tokens are doing extremely well, and especially the ones with utility. Well, we don't even want to talk about it. Well, this one is exactly that. If you want to understand what their AI is going to be, they're just going to be having an AI agent which will be allowing you to get rid of humans in your business, and the AI will make sure that everything works perfectly. Unstaked is changing how people use AI online, not just passively but actively. We are building a platform that lets anyone create and launch their own AI agent, a kind of a digital assistant that acts on your behalf, answering messages, analyzing content, making posts, or even managing simple tasks like Telegram, Discord, and X. So you guys get it. It's pretty much going to be very efficient. There is not going to be any extreme hidden costs that you will have to pay, but there are upfront things that they want to do. Now join the Unstaked innovation, the best crypto pre-sale of 2025. Limited time opportunity. Currently the starting price was this. The total supply is close to 6 billion and the launch price is already going to be 18, which is pretty much 27x. The audit will be happening very soon. And how does this work? Why our platform is the future of AI automation. Design your AI agent, so pretty much create exactly what you want the agent to do. After that, tokenize your agent, securely tokenize your agent using the fair launch system. Engage and grow your community, and then you will be getting the best results. Now, this is their roadmap in terms of where they want to go. Currently, they are in Q2. I mean, all of us are in Q2. Finalize comprehensive smart contract audit and undergo external security verifications to ensure maximum reliability and safety for all users, which is currently what they're trying to do to get their audit done. After that, release the MVP platform of the AI agent, leading to connections to social media, and launch the trading with a strong 20 million liquidity foundation. Expand the platform as much as possible. Launch the agent customization marketplace, and enabling users to further personalize exactly what they need, and they have long-term plans. Also, they want to be able to have strategic partnership to grow even bigger. Just to show you guys, if you want to purchase this token, it's actually very simple. You can just click the link in the description. It will take you to this website, and then you guys simply just need to go ahead and connect your wallet right here. And once it's connected with whatever wallet you guys use, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, everything is there. You guys just need to select exactly how much Ethereum you would like to allocate to this project. Once you have selected it, you guys will be getting your exact amount. And just to see how much it's worth in USD, it's about 5k, and seeing that Ethereum is only 2.5k, currently the market for this token is still in an early stage, so even before the launch you would already get a 2x, which I think is quite impressive. That's all I'm gonna say. On the other end, if you want to look at their Telegram, they have about 960 members, so still in an early stage, and their Twitter has close to 700 followers. But if you look at the level of reach that they're receiving is close to 4,000 views, and currently they're actually also doing a giveaway, which is very good, which is $1 million, and each winner, so there's going to be 20 winners in total, each winner is going to get $50,000. To pretty much compete, you just need to complete simple tasks, refer your friends, share on social media, and buy at least $100 worth of Unstaked. So overall, it's not much hard to do, but definitely this will give you a lot more opportunity. This is a community driven token, and also they do have a very important page, which is Instagram. I feel like a lot of influencers and a lot of special tokens do not focus on Instagram, but overall this token has a lot of potential. If you don't want to check it out, the link will be in the description. At the end of the day, this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion, because this token I see due to utility, I think it's gonna do well. If you don't want to check it out, make sure you do your own research before you put your money into anything. The link will be in the description. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.